Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Note Down. This is my channel name Note Down. In this video, we are going to talk about new job opportunity or the off-campus drive organized by the Hexaware. We'll talk in detail or the location, compensation, candidate profile, agreement, everything in detail. What will be the section criteria, Hexaware overview, everything. But before that, subscribe the channel and join the Telegram channel. Okay, and here you can also see the I have already uploaded the video regarding HCL and the Wipro Accenture T System Ola. Here not only for a particular branch, it is concerned with all the branches for the BSc, BCA, BB Tech, MEM Tech, including commerce, diploma, and the more. Okay, so subscribe the channel. We need love and support from your side. And let's talk about the video. Yes, guys. So the company name is Hexaware, and yes, Hexaware is hiring for the hiring graduate training program, which is a WILP. As you can here see that number of position is 100. Location will be the Hexaware offices in India. Compensation, let's see the compensation stipend of Indian rupees 19,000. Okay, approx for the first year, 21 for the second year. You will be observed as the employee in the third year. Okay, as you can here see the and yes, the most important thing desired candidate profile. Let's see, as a graduate trainee, you would be the part of work integrated learning program which offered by the Hexaware offers you to an opportunity to pursue a post graduation degree, that is MTech, from a premier university in India. So yes, which is fully sponsored by the Hexaware. So Hexaware is providing the MTech degree for you while you are working with them. So don't miss this opportunity as it will be a free of cost for the post graduation. Let's see the eligibility criteria. Okay, so the graduation is required, yes, from the 2021 batch with the BSc and the BCA. Degree in either computer science, electronics, mathematics, and the IT. Yeah, that will be okay. In 10th or 12th, your percentage will be more than 60% or the equivalent or the CGPA, which is 6 or more than 6. And yes, fluency in spoken and written English, which is mandatory to any of the off-campus drive. So you should have these things. And let's see the service agreement. On joining Hexaware, you would need to sign a trainee service agreement for a 60 month. So approx 12 into 5, almost 5 years, exact 5 years. Okay, so this is the important thing, service agreement for around 60 months, approx 5 years. Let's see the selection process. First step will be the online aptitude and the English proficiency assessment. And this drive is only for the not only for the this drive is available or organized by the Hexaware for an online drive. Okay, this will not be any physical drive, so you don't need to go anywhere. Just sit at your home with the laptop. That's it. Second step will be the behavior or the learning agility assessment, which is a non-elimination round. So it will be okay. And third one is what? Technical and the HR round. Okay, and the yes, you can see about the Hexaware company. Yes, and let's see where we can apply from the for this job. Once you click on this apply button, then you will get a one page from the firstnaukri.com. So this button will redirect to firstnaukri.com, and you will get a one page. Fill that page and submit the form. As soon as you submit the form, you will get a reply from the Hexaware for the next update or the drives. Okay, so all the best, guys. share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe the channel and join the Telegram channel. Link of this video, I mean this particular page, I have given in the description of a video, so you can apply from there. All the best, guys.